slowly slept. One squirrel fell, and I will try your peace from earth will be. Right, sure, it'll be alright. I'll be fine. Bye. Bye. Like, yeah, but then, and then, this might be paper behind it. What's this? You can keep it. Oh, that's very nice of you. I know. It's the only thing I can do. I don't really got enough money, and still, I'm too old and sad. You can keep it. Thank you. Here's the only thing I got. Oh, thank you, you wonderful little girl. I'm actually 15. Oh, you've got a little sister, I know, called Primrose. Yes, I have. Bye. Come back in a few minutes. I better have a shower when she says I have to. Oh, honey dear, you're still here. Oh, Mom, I got us money. You keep it, just in case. Thank you, Mom. Well, I'll do anything for my cute little girl. Thanks. The tournament's about to start, but not really, but you can go out if you want to have a face. Can you put that somewhere? To catch. Put my eye on the deer. My eye on the deer. My eye on the deer. Oh, damn it, bro. That was my, what can I say? Well, anyway. I might catch a bird if I want. I got one. What are you gonna do with it? Sell it for cost for the money. There's nothing I can do without money. I was just thinking about my sister. Come on, let's go in the hills. Make it, you know. Make it to what? To the forest. Run away. Run to the hillside. Live in the forest. We'll be fine. Just leave. I have to. Got me. You're any friends, right? Yeah. Rain might be enough for a moment. Well, the rain stopped anyway. I wouldn't really like to have kids. I would maybe if I didn't live there. Honey! Oh, my mom's calling me. I think she came here. Bye. Bye. I hope you survive if you go in the pot. Well, have a bath. I think you are really muddy. And the tournament's about to start right now. This minute now. Okay. Where is she? The tournament's on right now. Sorry I'm so late, Mom. It's okay, honey. Okay, go to the tournament. It's done right now. I hope you survived this Hunger Game. I really do. I hope I survive too if I go on say. Yes. Rosemary, wake up, honey. Go to the dressing room. Your sister is already there. Okay. Okay, let's see when I work. I got my suits already. Well, I've already got used something. I've got to wear glasses, Mom said. No, they don't fit me. I guess I'm gonna have to stay like this. Here's your hat. I wished I looked like you with those stripes. I know I'm a cat and I look like a zebra, but I like looking like a zebra. It's not my fault. I guess I have to go. Name, please. Primrose. Ow. You may go. Your name? My middle name is Sarah James. Next. Okay, Okay, we're gonna do the tickets now. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say. Gals, always first. Primrose value. Oh. Go on, Prim. God's carrier in case she runs back. No! Grim! Ooh, a first computer. No! 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 Oh. No. It's pumpy. Oh God, he's heavy. Next up is, what's your name, Derry? My surname. Yes, we all like to know your surname. Value. Okay. Now the boys. Peter Rash. Oh, it's not Peter Rash. He doesn't remember that time. Oh wait, we need to remember to cross the road. Oh. Hey, watch where you step. I'm so sorry. I'm really so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, now shake hands. I'm gonna have to get up. Cold-blooded? You're cold-blooded. We've got a little cold-blooded in her. Well, off we go through the door. You too. Okay, and our next journey will be at the Hunger Games. Have a good Hunger Game. To be continued. And have a good Hunger Game. Yeah!